What's up, Wanderers? Today we're over here at my good buddy's Alex's house. This is his third Gen Tacoma here. He's the guy behind the camera for today. And on today's episode, we are going to be installing some Deaver Stage 2 leaf springs in the back. His truck is on a 6-inch rough country lift, and it has a fat block in the rear, so we're gonna get rid of that so he can run his Overland setup on his Tacoma and feel good about the weight in the rear. Stay tuned. First things first, we're gonna measure from the ground all the way up to the top of the fender flare to see how tall this guy is with the rough country setup. We're right at 39.5 inches. So once we get the new Deaver springs installed, we'll do this again and see where it sits. All right, first up, we're going to loosen the lug nuts on all of the rear wheels here.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come. Oh.
All right, first things first, we're gonna remove this bracket right here so we can loosen up the brake line a little bit. Get these old leaf springs off. It's just a 12mm bolt. Get out of there. All right, so now that we got those bolts loose, we're gonna get the U-bolt guy off here. Save those old U-bolts. If you have this bump stop, you're gonna wanna hold on to this guy. And there we go. And we'll get this ugly ass block out of here. If you guys ever wanna see these things, you just kinda toss them away. All right, we're gonna impact the front driver's side of the leaf spring off here. So, now this is going to be close to the gas tank, so just shimmy your way through getting this bolt off and out of here. There we go. Move to the back. Now that both sides are loose, we're going to take our mallet and get these hanger bolts out. Watch your brake line. Alright, so Alex decided to get the bushing kit with his Deavers. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to put one on the left side, one on the right side in, and then we will hammer this sleeve basically right through there, and that's where the original bolts for the hangers on the front and the rear will go through to bolt it all back together. So we're gonna install the shackle portion to our Deavers here. So we're gonna run the bolt here all the way through, and then use the recommended torque specs to torque this guy back down. All right, now that we got those in, we're gonna put the U-bolts back in. So since Alex got the bushing and U-bolt kit with his Deavers, we're gonna use their setup and set aside the old setup that we had. So basically, these two guys will sit on top of the leaf pack. We're gonna install the stock bump stop itself too. So I'll sit on top like that and we'll bolt her on down. Easy as that. We've got the Deaver Stage 2 leaf pack in on this side. Torqued everything down to the torque specs. So we're gonna get this 33-inch wheel back on Alex's rig here, and we'll see how she sits. All right, now that we've got the truck back on the ground, we're gonna measure from the bottom all the way up to the top. We're actually sitting at 41 inches. So I believe before it was like 39.5, maybe 40 if I remember right. So we definitely gained a little bit extra weight there, length there. And then we also got rid of the ugly blocks and the stock Tacoma leaf packs to put in the Deaver Stage 2 leaf pack. So hopefully you guys like that install video. We've got a lot more overland off-road adventures to come. Alex, thanks for letting me work on your truck today. And until next time, we'll be wandering.